He was trapped in waist-deep snow during a deadly blizzard and began to freeze. A woman inside her home heard his desperate pleas. Without hesitation, she and her boyfriend ventured into the storm to rescue him. They brought him inside, using a hairdryer to warm his frozen clothes and treating his severe frostbite. They called 911, but emergency services couldn't reach them due to the blizzard. Desperate for help, she started a Facebook live stream pleading for rescue. As his situation grew dire, thousands watched but no help arrived. Local residents saw her